38 first shlokam. Anandarupa Bhagavan Aitevadare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Nidhiyamanaihi Kandi Vrajairiva Ghanaghanamandalaydyam Avrinvati Viruruche Kilavarshavela. Guruvayurappan is Satchit Ananda Rupam. So, first shloka, what was this? Sandranandava. First shloka. Then this right in the middle, 37, 38. Yeah. Apo, again Ananda Rupa Bhagavan, Ilena Sandrananda Tanu Hari. Then last la Paramananda Sandoha Lakshmi Ananda Sando. So, first, middle, end, full, the theme is Ananda. So, Narayanam is, the theme is Anandam, to get Prema to Bhagavan, to get Bhakti to Bhagavan. Bhagavan is Prema Swarupam, Ananda Swarupam. So, and the Rupam, Ananda Rupam. Anand, apdi paatale, like how Dhruva got darshan of Bhagavan standing in front, he has to immersed in nectar. How Narayana Bhattadri got darshan in the last one, Agre Paschami Tejo, Parama Sukha Rasaswada. So, when you see the Bhagavan, you're filled with Ananda because that is the Rupam of Bhagavan. Anala is called Ananda Rupam. Ananda Rupa Bhagavan. Anandana, it is does not have any opposite because Sukham is different from Ananda. Sukha has the opposite called Dukkha, right? When the happiness means sorrow, and a bliss is the word they use in English for Ananda. Ananda is another word for Premani. So why does somebody do something? Give a rest. If some rest is coming for something, so we are doing it. And adipade cause, if everything is the rest, we feel for it. Why somebody watches football? I like it, like that. Why somebody watches, cricket? I like it, children. Why we do? We get some rest. And the rest, and the Swarupam and Guruvayurappan is giving. And he is the very embodiment of that rest, Ananda. So, Ananda Rupa Bhagavanai Te Avatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Nidiyamanaihi. Just like Bhagavan's Rupam, the form is so blue and so shiny and blue like a blue lily, so soft and lustrous. Adimadri, the cosmos has become so beautiful and still and peaceful and auspicious and fragrant, and all directions are beautiful, waiting for Bhagavan. And the rainy season has come, the clouds are all filled with water and gentle breeze is blowing, the mud smell will come. The first drops of rain are falling in India, and the mud manam will come, no? The earth will have the quality of smell. The nalla smell will come, and the first few pudu rain starts. So like that, the beautiful rainy season, mala vanda or chillness, we feel like somebody is, happy with us. The first rain, when it comes like that. Kanti Vrajairiva, Bhagavanoda body ulla Kanti Mari, in the rainy season, with the blue clouds, with the lightning, all this is giving brilliance in the cosmos. Kanti Vrajairiva, Ghana Ghana Mandanaidhyam, Avrinvadi Viruruche, Kila Varshavela. Beautiful. In Madurai also, when we are about to start Krishna Avadara, full rain started. On day 5, when we start Saptaha, just before that Krishna Avadara was about to start, suddenly out of nowhere, rain came. Whenever rain comes at the end, when we do something nice, Pujala, or rain vanda, and Bhagavan is happy in Arthama. It means Bhagavan is happy with our offering, like that. So when the rain is gentle rain is coming, and then The whole cosmos is ready to receive Bhagavan. So, Avrinvadi Viruruche Kilavarshavena Ashasu Shitalatarasu Payodhatoyaihi Ashasitapti Vivasheshu Cha Sajjaneshu नैषाकरोदयविदौ निशिमध्यमाया क्लेशापः स्त्रिजगदां त्वमिहा विलासी. Place became so chill and cool down because Bhagavan is appearing, and and there is all everywhere it is goodness, ஒரு நல்ல positive feeling, a feeling of peace. Environmentally you can feel the effect, the space, wherever space we are, there is energy there. So when you enter that space itself, your mind will have a transformation, where there's always lot of nama happening. When you go to that place, you will feel a connection with Bhagavan. Sometimes there will be no sound at all, and then you say, oh, the stillness la Bhagavan is there தோணும், right? Sometimes அப்படியே ஒரு stillness feel ஆகும். அந்த stillness, what is that-na, அங்க பகவான் இருக்கார். பகவான் வந்து ரொம்ப சீக்ரெட்டா அவர் ஆக்ட் பண்ணுவார். he likes to be ரகசியமா பண்ணுவார். he does many things without telling. Because Bhagavan, as though, is very shy, so he will not come and tell open, but he has quietly done something and gone. Like that Bhagavan is. In Kuchela story also, Kuchela is telling, we all give little bits to Bhagavan and we say, I gave this, I gave that. Bhagavan, in the night, the farmer has sowed all the seeds and sowed all the crops are ready, and he's waiting for the harvest. He's waiting for the rain to come, and he's going to bed in the night thinking, sure, hope it rains tomorrow. I hope I have rain this season so that my crops grow well. ஒரு பாரத்தோட, with a burden, he will be sleeping, and he'll go to sleep finally. Next morning, full rain would have covered and the crops will grow nicely. So, Bhagavan Quieta, he does the work and goes away. Like that, the whole place is filled with the feeling of peace and bliss. Ashasu Shitala Tarasu. The rain has made the whole place very cool and fresh. The water has this quality of making everything suddenly feel fresh, right? Water is amazing for us. So, and the water nala whole place became fresh and pure. Asha Sita Vivasheshu cha Sajjaneshu, good people, or the time has come. Good people had to wait, because so many asuras have been tormenting, right? In the life la, when bad thing come for long time for people, like Devaki Amma, 6 children died already. 7th one was magically taken away. See how much bad time she had to go through, both of them. Now for them there is suddenly hope and things. There is a new time is coming. Like that time comes. भगवान के घर में देर है, अंधेर नहीं. So the kalam shift आइडूं, and then you say, oh, did I go through all that? Okay, it's okay. Then when you go to Madurai Saptah and say, oh, whatever I went through, so worth it. All good, because I'm here. I'm here. Like that you will feel. So good people ku our reward vandach. And the reward time has come when Bhagavan starts pouring out. You cannot receive it, so we have only 2 hands to receive, but he will be giving with 10,000 hands. Like that our Krishna is coming, and all the good people are so feeling already the fullness that sab theek ho jayega. Like that, vivasheshu cha sajjaneshu naishagaro, the stars are all sparkling in the sky. The water is so pure and fresh and clear water. The wind is blowing beautiful fragrances from the jasmine flowers, as though they are full bloom. All the trees are heavy with fruits and flowers. The birds are all awake in the night and chirping, and all the brahmanas are lighting the agni for doing their puja. The agni is burning so gently, without shaking. Steadily, it's burning. Just the quietness. Krishna is there. Krishna is coming. Krishna is coming. Like that, all feeling that amazing feeling ஒரு வருது எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு feeling of hope and fullness and happiness and a bright and ujjwal samaj is going to come out after Krishna Avadara. You know, ujjwal society will come, a radiant society will be established after Bhagavan's Avatara. Like that, Paritranaya Sadhuna. The sadhukal are feeling so much hope and looking forward to Bhagavan. Sajjaneshu. Then the moon is rising in the sky. Naishagarodaya vidau. So the whole cosmos is receiving Bhagavan. When we are doing Diwali decoration, we will also clean the house, outside of the house, and put rangoli and put lights, everything. No, like that, the whole world is receiving Bhagavan. It's his world. The Lord of the universe is appearing. So every house is ready. Whole Vrindavana, the earth is so fertile with green pastures, with full lakes and rivers and reservoirs are full of lilies and flowers. Blue lotuses are full in the waters. The Yamuna river is so beautiful. Like that, all the places are auspicious and fertile and so grand and prosperous. This way, the time has come. And then at midnight, Nishi Madhyamaya, Bhagavan has come in the middle of the night. And then what? Krishna knows our problem very well. So he says, Wow, my children, I'm going to help them. Klesha Pahastri Jagata, to remove the sorrows of the three worlds. Krishna knows. We think he doesn't know anything, he's somewhere far away. No, he knows everything we go through. Adnale he comes. Klesha Pahastri Jagata, the remover of the sorrow of the three worlds. Klesha Pahastri Jagadam Tvamiha Virasi. This way, beautiful. Suddenly in the prison, the dark prison where Devaki and Vasudeva, already Devaki Mata is emitting signs of, divine radiance is emitting. And Brahma and Devatas had come and done stuti to her. How come she's so beautiful and radiant as though a light is inside her? When Bhagavan comes, only there'll be a light. He's already wearing a dress that is covered with light or something. How it is, we have to put the light for the electricity. When the light comes on now, Bhagavan automatically ஒரு லைட்டோட வரார். என்ன லைட் அது? அப்படிதான். So he came with a light. Whole body is illuminated. That Bhagavan is sitting inside Devaki, so she was already illuminating that light. And then Brahma and the gods are saying, oh my God, this Devaki was not so beautiful before. And then they do pranam to her. Now that Bhagavan suddenly appears. So, Avirasina appears. It will not be like birth, like our human birth, but Jesus suddenly appears. And how did he look? Now we say the Bhagavata Shloka. Even though we are reading Narayanam, my Guruji taught me the Bhagavata Shloka at that time also. Tam Adbhutam, that Shloka I put in WhatsApp. This you have to learn from Bhagavatam, but I put it there in WhatsApp, in Sanskrit. So you can repeat after me. Tam Adbhutam Balakam Ambujekshanam. Tam Adbhutam Balakam Ambujekshanam. Chaturbhujam Shankagadatyudayudam. See, Chaturbhujam Shankagadatyudayudam. Shankagadatyudayudam. All the divine weapon he is holding. श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गणशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोधसौभगं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोधसौभगं अद्भुतबालकं Ambujikshanam, yes, lotus like eyes, big lotus like eyes, lotus like lashes. Chaturbhujam, yes, Shanga and Chakra and the lotus and the Gadai. Shankar Gadayudayudam. Then Srivatsa, the Srivatsa Marvu on the chest. Srivatsa Lakshmam Galashobi Kaustubam, the necklace, Kaustuba pendant. Pitambaram is wearing the golden Pitambara. Sandra Payoda Saubakam, beautiful face of Bhagavan, so much Anandam. Maharha Vaiduja Kirida Kundala. Maharha Vaiduja Kirida Kundala Visha Parishvakta Sahasa Kundalam. Beautiful Kirida is wearing, beautiful dark hair falling on both sides of the shoulders. Visha Parishvakta Sahasra Kundalam Uddama Kanchangada Kankana Dibihi. Beautiful garlands and kankanas and everything. Irochamanam Vasudeva Ikshata. Irochamanam Vasudeva Ikshata. Maharha Vaiduja Kirida Kundala Trisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kundalam Uddama Kanchangada Kankana Dibihi. Irochamanam Vasudeva Ikshata. Namanda. अत्यन्तबालम् अदसि कुसुमप्रकाशम् दिग्वाससं कनकभूषणभूषिताङ्गम् विस्रस्तकेशम् अरुणाधरमायदाक्षम् कृष्णं नमामि मनसा वसुदेवसूनुम् अत्यन्तबालम् अदसि कुसुमप्रकाशम् दिग्वाससं कनकभूषणभूषिताङ्गं विस्रस्तकेशम् अरुणाधरमायदाक्षं कृष्णं नमामि मनसा वसुदेवसूनुम्. I'll sing later. So these three we have to chant after the first and second shloka. Then coming to Narayanyam, shloka number 3. बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा ददुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीट कडकागद हारभासा शङ्गारि वारिजगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिगेः बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा ददुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीट कडकागद हारभासा शङ्गारि वारिजगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित सुदिगेः. Appeared as a small child, Balya Sprishapi. Dadusha Vibodhihi, all the vibhutis, all the divine ayudam he is holding. Vibodhihi Udya Kirida, the Kirida is shining. And then Kadaka Gada, the shoulder ornaments, the bracelets, Harabasa, the necklace, Shankari, Shanka and Chakra. Chakra and Shanka. Shangari, Vadi Jagada, the lotus and the Gada, the mace. Shangari, Vadi Jagada, Paribhasidena, in the Guruvayurappan Rupam da Darshana Gurta, Devaki Vasudeva saw this Rupam. Chaturbhuja Guruvayurappan, the Guruvayur Krishna Rupa is what they saw. In how Guruvayurappan is in Guruvayur, Chaturbhuja Rupa, right? That Krishna. Not different Krishna with holding flute or with 2 hands with butter and all. Chaturbhuja Rupa. That Guruvayurappan is what Devaki Vasudeva first saw in person. Guruvayurappan. Just like the Guruvayurappan. So, Chatur Shankari Vari Jagada Paribhasidena, beautiful blue color. and the blue is like blue light. And then Shanka Paribhasidena Meghasidena Parilesita Sudigehe, in that prison where the child has come out, the dark prison, suddenly a brilliant light is shining. This way, a Guruvayurappan is born, appears, and Devaki Vasudeva looking and stunned. Oh my God, Krishna! Oh, that's why when you see Bhagavan, all that has passed or has happened for them, all good. It's all worth it because you are here, Guruvayurappa. You're here. That's Ananda they feel. And so, then not only Guruvayurappan, who is coming with him always, quietly, Akshasthali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi. Lakshmi Mata always there. On his Vakshasthalam, Bhagavan is keeping her. Akshasthali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kadaksha Vimoksha Vedaihi तन्मन्दिरस्य कलकं सकृतम् अलक्ष्मीम् उन्मार्जयन्निव विरेजित वासुदेव अक्षस्थली सुखनिलीन विलासि लक्ष्मी मन्दाक्षलक्षित कटाक्ष विमोक्ष वेदैः तन्मन्दिरस्य कलकं सकृतम् अलक्ष्मीम् उन्मार्जयन्निव विरेजित वासुदेव. Mahalakshmi Devi is resting comfortably. When Bhagavan married her in Kurma Avatara, when Amrita Mathana time, Lakshmi Mata came out, and then Lakshmi Swayamvaram happened, and she put garland to Bhagavan. That was 8th canto. In Narayanam, it was 28th chapter. Apave Bhagavan gave her his Vakshasthalam. He always keeps her, and she puts her auspicious glances on the world by staying in his Vakshasthala. When you see our Balaji Perumal, he has the Sridevi Bhudevi, right? Like that. Bhagavan loves his Priya Lakshmi Mata. So she's adorning his gold chest, and then Mandaksha Lakshita, Ataksha Vimoksha Vedai. With her, she's putting her auspicious glances on all of us. And in the prison is so dark and inauspicious, but now that place became so radiant, and Mahalakshmi Devi, Unmarjayan Niva, she removed away all the darkness in that prison. And Asura Lord and the darkness, it will not last. Would glance of Bhagavan is enough to disperse the darkness of thousands of Asuras. Would a glance, because he's light. One Bhagavan for a flash is enough to disperse the darkness of 1,000 years of 1,000 Asuras. In a flash it will go away. That is the radiance of Bhagavan. So even though the prison was, so dark and very, very inauspicious place, but the moment Bhagavan's glance came, it became puja karne ka jaisa ho gaya wo. Now that this place is all there in Mathura, still we can go visit. So Kalakam Sakritam, this Kamsa odu the Asurathanam, this Asuras avarodu in darkness and evil will not last. Just a glance of Bhagavan is enough to purify the universe. So Kalakam Sakritam Alakshmim Unmarjayanniva. Come on, Bhagavan's purity embodied. Purity, auspiciousness, brilliance, kindness, compassion, intelligence, everything is Bhagavan. Or light is all that. So just over a glance, he will change the place. When he is letting the evil people say, okay, thoda kelo, like that, he left them. So it is the time of bad guys now in Kali Yuga. Otherwise, in one flash, Bhagavan can change the world in one flash, in 1 second. Abhi Bhagavan says, let them enjoy. Let them, uska bhi time diya hai na usko. Bad guys also need their good time. Okay, go enjoy. Baad mein I'll kill you, don't worry. Like that, Bhagavan chhod diya, choda. easily all these people leaders are குதிக்கிறா. Otherwise ஒரு ஃபிளாஷ்ல இந்த அசுராஸ்கா பவுடர் பவுடர் कर देगा भगवान. So उन्मार्जयन्निव विरेजिता वासुदेवा. Then this Diwali is this amazing story of Narakasur. In one of the class I will tell, Diwali is coming, Narakasur story you should hear, and then burn fireworks, kill the Asura, celebrate Diwali. So all this, it feels rust because we are Narayaniam. We learn this story because of Narayaniam Bhagavatam, and we feel it. We feel the festivals. It's not just like, oh, काम करना है, नहीं. Festival means मजा, right? Utsav, one after another, right? So like that, these asura have no chance at all. The moment Bhagavan appears, सब चूर कर देंगे भगवान. That Krishna has come. So शौरिस्तु धीर मुनि मंडल चेदसोऽपि दूरस्थितं वपुरुदीक्ष निजेक्षणाभ्याम् आनंद बाष्प पुलगोद्गम गद्गदार्द्रः तुष्टाव दृष्टि मकरंदरसम भवन्तं. Vasudeva is seeing Krishna in front of him, that Bhagavan who is not even possible to be seen by the sages who have done tapas for years together. Dhira Munimandala Chetasopi Durastitam. Even the sages who have done tapas for so many years, for them also this Bhagavan is unapproachable, Durastitam. That Bhagavan Vasudeva is seeing in front of his eyes. Vapurudiksha Nijekshanabhya. I am seeing, he is telling. He is able to see. Oh my God, Krishna. And then the stuti starts coming. He sings the praise of Bhagavan. In Bhagavatam, Vasudeva, the stuti he sang, praising Bhagavan, you are the creator, preserver and destroyer of the universe. You take avatars again and again to establish dharma, to kill the wicked and to protect the sadhus. Like that, Vasudeva is singing the stuti, praising Bhagavan in the as per the Vedic meaning. He's praising Bhagavan. Then Ananda Bashpa, the tears are flowing. How much Vasudeva had to bear, right? How much suffering he had to bear, but he says, good, Krishna is here. It's all worth it, Krishna is here. So, a choking and melting voice. Ulagodgama Gadgadatra, or smile he will give Bhagavan. And then the tears will start rolling for a bhakta. Why you delayed this much? Like that the gopis will ask, no? One of the gopis say, you are no karuna, you go away. You don't come in near me. Why you keep on leaving me in the forest all alone? I don't want to talk to you. And the tears will come rolling down like that. Vasudeva is crying. You're seeing, all kind of feelings will come when we feel Bhagavan. Ulagodgama ididam bhakti. It's called bhakti bhava. Narayaniam has the bhakti bhava. When we have to feel bhakti, and we know Jnanam Bhagavan is Guruvayurappan is that who does the Srishti Sthiti Samhara Bhagavan. We know Jnanam Manam, Bhakti Manam. So, and the Bhakti Narayanam is giving as Vasudeva is able to feel choking. Ulagodgama Gadgadadra. The Bhakti Lakshana come 19 Lakshana of Bhakti Bhava is there, it seems. And our Radha only had all the 19 Lakshanas of Bhakti Bhava. Hridayam Gadgadam, the throat is choking, the voice is choking, the hair is standing on end, and we become in an unconscious murcha state. All those different bhavas are there of Bhakti Lakshanam. Bhakti Lakshana you can physically see in the body, it seems. And 19 Lakshanas were there, total are there. Only Radha has displayed all those 19 and one more. Who is that? Mirabai. Our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also got immersed in Bhakti, that Ananda, and goes in that blissful state. now and then. Like that, the Bhakti Bhava as Vasudeva is getting that horripilation, seeing Krishna, and then for the eyes of seeing Bhagavan Makaranda Rasam and the lotus flower road pollen on the Makaranda. And the Makaranda squeeze பண்ண ஒரு ரஸ் இருக்குமாம். The honey bee will take that nectar. The honey bees and they have the sweetness of the flower, only they get to taste. We don't know them. We don't have that ability to taste the flavor of the taste of the flower, the nectar the honey bee has. The bee will come and drink the honey from the flowers இல்லையா, அது ரொம்ப ஸ்வீட்டா இருக்குமா. லைக் தட் த லோட்டஸோடு அந்த உள்ள பவுடர் மக்கரந்த the pollen inside that, other squeeze panna or rus, it comes, it seems. That will be so sweet that the honey bee enjoys. For us Vasudeva, the darshan of Bhagavan is sweet, is giving that feeling of that makaranda rasa, drinking that makaranda rasa. So gadgadatraha tushtavadrishti makaranda rasam bhavandam. Okay, if you have to go through that much suffering to see Krishna, okay, fine, Krishna, it's good. It's good. Mirabai says, "Ab kitni bhi pariksha de do main, so I can bear it, Krishna. I can bear it. Right? You keep on testing me. I will be okay. But you just come and give darshan now and then. That's all I want." This is how bhaktas lived, because it doesn't feel suffering for them at all, because darshan milta na. That medicine is coming now and then. So like that, now Devaki Amma is praising Bhagavan. Deva prasida parapurusha tapavalli nirlonidatra samanetra kala vilasim. Vasudeva is singing to Bhagavan, Deva prasida parapurusha tapavalli nirlonidatra samanetra kala vilasim. Kedana pakuru kripa guruvi katakshahi ityadidena udidena chidam nuto bhuhu. I will say the shloka many times. In difficult situations, I'll keep on saying Krishna. Like that, Vasudeva is saying, what is he saying? Deva prasida parapurusha tapavalli nillu nidatra samanetra kala vilasin kedana pakuru kripa guru vikatakshahi ityaditena muditena chidam nuto bhuhu. With me, be pleased to remove our sorrows. Parapurusha, hey Guruvayappa, O Supreme Bhagavan. Tapavalli, a creeper of sorrows. How much Vasudeva would have suffered to give all the children to Kamsa and to see him kill in front of his eyes. Right? Tapavalli, nillu nidatra samani, cut it down with a sharp sword. The creeper of sorrows, chop it down with the sword. Nirlu nidatra samanetra kala vilasin. What's the sword? Your eyes. Your playful eyes nala cut all my sufferings. Kedana pakuru kripa guru vikatakshay. Please put your kataksha on me, Krishna, and remove all my sufferings. Ityaditena muditena. Vasudeva is happy and filled with honor, bliss also. And then telling, please remove all my problem, enough. I don't want to go back there, Krishna, enough. I don't want that life again, please. Give me new beginning. Like that is praying. Guruji says, why dukkha comes means, dukkha will come. Dukkha is coming means Bhagavan's anugraha only. Because if we only had happiness continuously in life, we'll be bored. We won't appreciate that happiness as bored. If we only had continuously suffering forever, adhulayin we get bored. அதனால Bhagavan does மாத்தி little bit this, little bit that, little bit this. That only makes it fun, Guruji says. So that is how life will be. Even though you may say, I don't want any sadness, I want complete happiness. Actually, if you are like that, you will start feeling guilt. because that person is suffering, but I'm always happy. Appadiyum you won't be able to be happy. The ego is, what bad guy he is. He will make us feel guilty even if there is happiness in life. So the only way to get over that is to get jnana. Because if you say, I want to be happy always, you can't be. As long as the ego is there, it won't let you be happy, because then you will feel guilty seeing the neighbor is not happy. Then you say, go away, I don't want to see you, but then somebody else will come. Like how Gautam Buddha, his father tried to keep him, away from all worldly things, because the astrologer already predicted this is going to be a sadhu, right? So what did the father king do? He protected him and raised him in his protected environment, always never letting him see outside world. He only saw rich palace and all the people adoring him and all kind of luxuries and like that. Gautam Buddha was first 15 years or so. But one day Appa had to go out, and then Gautam Buddha went out with another minister or somebody, and then he saw what happened. Well, then one old man is coming. Old man, people like this to live in the world. He said, yeah, will I also become old? You will become old. After a few steps going further, he saw a dead body was being carried. Then Gautam Buddha said, what is this? He said, somebody died. Oh, people die in the world? People die. Will you also die? Yeah, you will also die. Then another place he saw Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi, another old Vyadi person having illness and coughing. Then he saw, yes, this is also in the world. Gautam Buddha, that day he got transformed. He said, if all these things are in the world, I don't want to be here. If they are going to come to be, they come sometime or another. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadi. All four for everyone. This is life. So we cannot keep on thinking only happiness, because it won't work. The only way to get release from both is to attain jnana. Attain jnana, work for it. Guruji says, when we are sitting in the saptaha, Guruji will keep on doing that Tulsi Mala and keep on doing it like in his hand. Then he look at us. Why you're not saying? Why you're not? As to the glance will tell. You should be saying Hare Rama every minute. Guruji says, why? I got this human birth. When I stand up, I have a ground to stand on. Oh my God. I thank you, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare. When I go and I am getting a warm cup of coffee, thank you, Krishna. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then I'm able to take a bath in warm water. Thank you, Krishna. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. I'm going to be able to wear clothes to protect my body from the weather. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This way, every minute you have to be thankful, and more above all, I got satsanga. I got Bhagavatam, I got to hear about Krishna. Oh my God. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. This way we should be remembering Bhagavan continuously and thanking him, Guruji says. And that is why we have to attain jnana, otherwise how to get over this? Tapavalli, eppadi pogum, Tapavalli. By always Kataksham Madam, Guruvayappan Katakshathila, we will have to get. So we have to get there. So Vasudeva, Kedana Pakuru, Kripa Guruvi Katakshai, Anubhavatila is telling, it's gone through that suffering, only when the person has suffered. So for me also, in young age only, even though life is good, but some people, our experiences will awaken something, like a Buddha seeing somebody is dead and going over there. அது புத்தாக்கு என்னாச்சு இப்போ ஒன்றும் ஆலையே, ஆனால் அவனுக்கு அஃபெக்ட் ஆகும். Right? Somebody dead over there. But Buddha got affected, no? For me also like that, some dukkha somewhere I will see, or something in my nature was like that. To always think, oh sure, Bayamark Guruvayappa. See, I'm afraid, Guruvayappa help me. For somebody is wired that way. I was wired that way. To go to Krishna for everything. This sloka I learned at 18 years, no? And it stuck to me, this sloka. That's why I'm telling the story for this sloka. Deva prasida parapurusha tapavalli nirlu nidatra samanetra khala vilasim kedana pakuru kripa guru vikatakshayi ityaditena muditena. Please put your kataksham on me, Guru Arpa. I kept on telling unknowingly. The meaning also I won't know. It just clicked sometime and I kept on telling. I was in 18 and 20 and 25, 30, you don't have much dukkha. It's a good life, right? It is supposed to be that way. But for me, that kind of a feeling of renunciation and all comes in early only. Because I know it's all impermanent. All this is impermanent. One day we have to attain Guru Arpan. Otherwise, this chakkar, the giant wheel of samsara, both ho gaya. And that bhava was there from beginning only. So, this sloka used to stick with me and I kept on telling. Deva prasida parapurusha tapavalli nillu nidatra samanetra kala vilasin kedana pakuru kripa gurubi katakshaihi ityaditena muditena chidamnuto bhuhu. See how beautiful Gurvarpan connection from before only. To connect to Bhagavan in a dukkha is the purpose. Dukkha will come. But if you are using the dukkha to connect to Bhagavan and get close to him, are you one? You are a winner. But if you are drowning in dukkha and don't know how to get out, then you have a problem. We have dukkha, we are using it to go to Guruvayur, then we are winners. So that is exactly why Bhagavan gives dukkha. That's exactly why. Because he wants you to come to him. And he wins, and so we win. So next, Matra Chanetra Salila Strita Gatravalya Stotrai Abhishtuda Guda Karunalayastvam Prachina Janmayugalam Pradibodhyadabhya Madhurgira Darida Manushava Balavesham. It's also praising Bhagavan. Stotrair Abhishtuda Guna Karuna Karunalayam. Bhagavan is the abode of mercy. Bhagavan is the only one who truly has compassion for us, who truly has compassion. So, Karunalayastvam Prachina Janmayugalam, Bhagavan is telling them, I have appeared as your son in previous 2 births as well. Before, you were Sutapa Rishi and Prishni. Vasudeva and Devaki were Rishi Sutapa and wife Prishni. At that time, I was born as your son, and I was called Prishnigarbha. Then I was again born to you when you were Aditi and Kashyapa. I was born as Vamana. Now, 3rd time, I've been born as your son. Now you are Vasudeva and Devaki. You did tapas for a long time, bearing the intense weather situations, suddenly heat, suddenly cold, and all that. Without paying attention to their body, they did tapas for a long time, Devaki and Vasudeva. And then when Bhagavan appeared and told them, ask me a boon, they could have asked anything, but by Bhagavan's Maya only, they asked, please be born as our son. Right? So, Bhagavan is telling, you could have asked for moksha at that time, but because you were influenced by my Maya, you asked me to be born as your son. So here I am again, born as your son, the 3rd time. Bhagavan is telling them, Prachina Janmayugalam Pradibodhyadabhyam Madhurgira Dadida. Then Devaki Amma says, Oh Guruvayurappa, now please become the 2 hands baby like normal babies. Don't show this Chaturbhuja Rupa because this Kamsa, he doesn't deserve to see this Krishna. You become the baby Krishna for me. So Bhagavan became a small baby Krishna. Madhurgira Dadida Manushabalavesham. Then Bhagavan told Nanda Baba to take Vasudeva to take him to Gokula. So, Tvat त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयादे व्यत्यासम् आरचयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वामस्तयोरधित चित्तविदार्यमाद्यैः अम्बोरुहस्तकल हंस किशोररम्यम् त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयादे व्यत्यासमारचयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वामस्तयोरदिद चित्तविदार्यमाद्यैः अम्बोरुहस्तकलहंस किशोररम्यम्. Bhagavan told Vasudeva to take him to Gokula, so Vasudeva crossed the Yamuna. He put Krishna in a basket. When Vasudeva is coming out, the prison, all the doors automatically opened and all the chains on his hand fell. The Maya, all that Maya binding went away. He became free. And the door opened and the guards are sleeping and the chains all broke by themselves. Vasudeva put Bhagavan in a basket and put him on his head and started walking towards Gokula. He has to cross the Yamuna to reach Gokula. And the Yamuna river is in spate, full, overflowing with water. And our Krishna is on the top of Vasudeva's head, and Yamuna is coming up higher and higher and higher, as though to drown Vasudeva. Vasudeva was wondering what is happening. Then, when Yamuna rose high to touch Krishna's feet, and then it went down, it seems. And then it gave way for Vasudeva, and he crossed easily. Then Adishesha, the serpent, is covering Bhagavan like an umbrella and protecting him from the rain. This way, Vasudeva carried our Bhagavan and took him to Gokula. In Gokula, our Yashoda Mata is so tired and sleeping, and the beautiful baby girl is over there. But all the maid servants are all sleeping. Yashoda Mata is sleeping, but the little gentle baby is crying to Astu to make Vasudeva hear where he should come. She gave direction to him, Astu, and he came to the exact place, and then he took this beautiful radiant baby girl Maya as born. Durga Mata is born as the daughter of Yashoda. He put Krishna on one side and he took away the girl, and he came back to Mathura, and then all the chains automatically appeared. The Maya vandachana, all the chains appeared, all the door closed, and then Vasudeva came back. Yatya samara chaidam sahishura sunu tvamasthayuradhita chittavidadyamadyahi. That Bhagavan, who is only able to be seen in the minds of sages, rishis who have done tapas, they can see him in his mind. This Vasudeva is actually holding this baby, that Bhagavan, as though he is a lotus, the beautiful swan perched on a lotus. Vasudeva hand or lotus mari, adukku mel oru swan mari Krishna, it seems. Amboruhasta kalahamsa kishora ramyam. Beautiful Krishna on the lotus hands of Vasudeva. Like that, the baby girl has come. Now, Vasudeva brought the girl back, and then everything is normal. Then what happened over there? Now back to Gokulam. Jata dada pashupasatmani yoga nidra vimudrita madakrita paudalogam tvatprerana kimiva chitram achetanaijyate dvarai swayamyagadi sanghadidai sugadam. In yoga nidra, deep sleep. They didn't even remember was it a boy or a girl. Then Tvatprerana kimiva chitram achetanaijyate. Achetanam, the inanimate doors. Dwarai achetanaidya dwarai. The doors which are inanimate, they became animate. And the animate people, they became inanimate and sleeping. Achetanaidya dwarai swayambyagadi sangadidai sugadam. Who is doing all this? Guruvayappan is doing. We think we are doing everything is hoi jo Ram Rachita Rakha. Whatever is happening by Rama's will. Like that, everybody is sleeping because Guru Arpan decided that will be so. The doors are opening because Guru Arpan decided to be so. Everything by his ordained. Bhagavan has ordained something. அப்படிதான் நடக்கும். Next, Sheshena Purivana Varida Varinada Adishesha is holding the as though like an umbrella. Sheshena Puribhana Varida Varinada Swairam Pradarshita Pado Manidipitena Tvam Dharayan Sakhalu Dhanyadama Pradaste Soyam Tvamisha Mama Nashaya Rogavegan Shri Krishnaya Brahmani Namaha holding like a on spread out his hoods and holding like a chatra umbrella for Bhagavan. And Vasudeva is going along the way, and the gems of Adishesha are shining and giving the path for Vasudeva. Swairam Pradarshidapado Manidipitena, the Vasudeva Adishesha or hoods, the gems will be shining and illuminating the path. Then Kalu Dhanyatama Prataste Soyam Tvamisha Mama Nashaya Roga Vegane Gurvarpa beautiful Krishna Avadara I narrated, please remove all my ailment. Like this, Narayana Bhattadri offers 38th canto. So, Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmani Namaha Sandranandavabodatmagamανupamidam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे अन्धभाग्यं जनानां श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.